Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1670th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. You can join me in my free live trading room at www.livewithoscar.com. Traders, as we know, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not always suitable for all traders. You must have risk capital to lose if you are going to play this game. You must recognize that a stop is your best friend. Put your stops in first and never trade without them. Don't worry about the rumors about slippage on stops. Without a stop, you're dead. With a stop, you've got protection. Put your stops in. All right, traders. So if you join me in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com, you'll see things like this happen on Tuesday. This is the Dow Jones Transportation Average, deemed the leader of U.S. indices. As you can see, it really held well off the 200 ball moving average. You see the bounce, came down, hit the average. In fact, let me just get a little. So we had a market that got above the average, came back down, hit it, boom, right here, held it, and now is taking off. And bravo for the transportation average. You got to love it. So the leader of U.S. indices is saying, we are going higher. Let's move. And I say, let's go with it. We've got a green Omni for trading in the Nasdaq and in the emini S&P for trading tomorrow. Here's your Nasdaq chart. Nasdaq looking pretty darn good right here. Green Omni for trading on Tuesday. Bull flag, breakout of that bull flag, and almost the same sort of action. You break out of the bull flag, came back to test it, like we did with the 200 ball moving average on the transportation average, and then it started to take off. You got to love what you see here, especially that hold. It held flag support and took off from there. I think it's fantastic. You got to like your U.S. indices for trading on Tuesday. And then you've got the E-mini S&P. Let's go look at that bad boy. E-mini S&P is now above the midline of this really long-term channel, goes really far back. And you are above the 50-bar moving average, which would be this moving average right here. Here's your 50-bar mover. You're above that. Now you're above the center line of this entire channel, and that's a pretty long one. You're above that center line right now, and above the center line gives you a nice rally. Here we are above the center line. Let's see if we get a nice rally out of it. Traders, I wanted to share that with you during halftime at the NFL game. I want to go watch the rest of the game, so I will see you cats at livewithoscar.com. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay on Tuesday is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all in my free live trading room at www.livewithoscar.com.